next conversation will be with the next big tournament coming our way. We've got some IPL champions here, and so our next conversation will be with the IPL champions. We just organize these chairs in because we've got 4 people coming up. Can I call them up on stage already? You heard so much of him in recent times. He's going to look at people and say, am I the OG already? Given that I started so long back. Sanju Samson. Was it 2013? Your first game? Because the other guys are going to come up, I'm going to look at you and say, that started 2013, you started much later. Didn't you? Hardik Pandya started what, 2015? Come on, Hardik. I think they're getting younger and younger. Abhishek? Come on. So we've got so many generations represented. I think we move this chair there. And then I'll sit in the corner. And we've got someone even younger than all of you who played the IPL last year. It's okay, it's not a bad, it's only a mic. Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Oh, Vaibhav. The IPL did so much for us over the years. A young Sanju Samson, back in 2013, the Royals, then Delhi Daredevils, and back with the Royals. I saw young Hardik Pandya play his first game and I thought, wow, he can play. Then Abhishek Sharma comes out, he just starts screaming deliveries for 4. And Vaibhav Suryavanshi comes in and he thinks that this game is only about hitting sixes. But after my guy. ठीक है, मैं आपको देता हूँ, कोई बात नहीं, आपको ये रख लीजिए आप. So let me ask all of you what it was like with another IPL around the corner. What was it like going out to play in your first game in the IPL? Let's start with you, Sanju. How was it? You were still such a young man. And there you are in front of all these people. What is the feeling about going out and playing in that IPL then?
Hi everyone, great evening to everyone. Coming back to your question, sir, I think, a young boy coming from Kerala, playing few Ranji Trophy games. I think games getting over in 1.5, 2 day games. 4 दिन का मैच 2 दिन में खत्म हो जा रहा था. Under 19 खत्म हो गया था, so I'm like, okay, what else can I do? So that's when Rahul sir invited me for the trials at RR with Sri Bhai and Zubin Bharucha being there. And from there, like life completely changed. I kind of upskilled my game. I kind of learned a lot from a lot of the players in the squad, and it gave me a great opportunity to learn about the game and also how to be as a human being as well. So I think surrounded by some really special people, it really helped me to develop my game and develop myself as well. So yes, IPL was a game changer in my life.
Your first 6 in the IPL, do you remember that?
You hit so many. You remember the first one? Should be over the covers. Is it
against Punjab?
Yes.
And the bowler was...
बहुत time हो गया सर.
What happened? Did you say Manpreet Dhoni?
No.
Oh, okay. I didn't answer. I was given
Manpreet Dhoni. So okay, that's wrong actually.
Just shows that he hit so many sixes that he remembered all of them himself. Hardik, that first time when you went out, had you ever played in front of 40,000-50,000 people before?
Not really, but I think it was very exciting, to have an opportunity at such a big stage, coming from Baroda, seeing so much love and affection for the sport, and getting the opportunity playing for Mumbai Indians was already a dream, and when I went out there, it was just enjoying every moment, watching the ball, remembering why I'm here, and I think that just helped me on that night and post onwards to my career.
Abhishek, do you remember your first ball? First ball in the IPL?
Yes, I still remember. I was sitting with him only, Mohammad Siraj. I still remember my first ball was, I hit a shot over mid-off. I still remember perfectly.
First of many.
But
Who was your captain? Do you remember?
of course, our coach, Mr. Gautam Gambhir, he was the captain, and then Shreyas was there.
आपकी पहली बॉल कहाँ गई गेंद?
बहुत दूर। सर एलएससी के अगेंस्ट मेरा डेब्यू हुआ था तो फर्स्ट बॉल पे मैंने ओवरकर्स मारा था छक्का तो।
और आपके कोच जो थे वो यहाँ बैठे हैं, वो खुद डेढ़ दिन बैटिंग करते थे। एक तो ऐसे नहीं, 1.5 दिन बैटिंग करते थे, कभी-कभी 2 दिन बैटिंग करते थे। उनसे क्या बातचीत हुई कि मैं जाके पहला बॉल 6 मारूंगा?
सो मैच से पहले दिन में संजू भैया और सर ने बुलाया था मुझे रूम में और
Not exactly it did actually. भाई अलग वीडियो गेम खेल रहे हैं।
अभिषेक फाइनल में आपके हो गए 50-18 गेंदों में। सनराइजर्स वर्सेस आरसीबी, वही फॉर्म, वही अप्रोच। अभी छोटे बच्चे अगर पहला बॉल 6 मार रहे हैं तो आपको तो
नहीं सर, ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप उसकी बैटिंग देखते तो मैच नहीं कोई कर सकता, बट स्टिल आई फील अभी it's the demand of the game कि आपको fearless जाना पड़ता है for 6 overs and that's how I mean wherever I played I always try कि मैं पहले 6 overs में जितना भी हो सकता है टीम को फायदा मिले और I just go with the plan.
You know, it's interesting. You've seen so much. You've seen phenomenal success. To the extent that Sanju said in an interview, everyone was looking at you and saying, "Am I playing as well?" And then there was a little dip. How do you retain fearlessness and that aggression if things are not quite going your way with your time?
I mean, sir, it was very difficult to be very honest. It wasn't easy because it never happened with me even in my younger days as well. But I think I have always mentioned my teammates and coach and everyone because they were the one like they were helping me a lot because I was doubting myself every day. Every zero I was doubting that why is this happening to me. But still, I still remember all the memories that throughout that tournament I was having. Everyone was coming to me. The only thing they were saying, we believe in you. You are just one inning away. Just try to follow the process and keep the smile on. And that's what I was trying. And finally, it happened on the main day. So everything just.
It looks like, Sanju, you're going to be opening the batting with another young kid who was up on stage just now. Not quite Abhishek. Someone like an Ayush Matre. What conversation will you have with him? Obviously,
Nowadays, I kind of feel that there is no need to tell them what to do or what not to do. Actually, you just stand at the non-striker end and ask them what they want to do. So, with Webber also, I batted in a game against CSK and we were chasing a score. So he looked more clearer than I was actually. So nowadays people are in different zone actually. So we just let them free and be what they want to be. That's the best place to be in IPL. So just sit back and be there for them. If they are expecting something out of you, then be ready with your answers. That's what you can do.
Hardik, you're in an interesting position because you've got youngsters in your team too, like every franchise does. And you've got Surya Kumar Yadav, you've got the great Rohit Sharma on your side. How does a captain balance such widely differing personalities in an IPL team?
I think, as you mentioned, Surya is there, Rohit is there. I think that gives me added advantage that I have some heads which have already led India / in the career. And at the same point of time, we've been playing with each other for almost so many years. It's been close to 8-9 years. So, you know, the relationship and the love and the understanding is so much that it's always a help. With the youngsters, you just see individuals, you just see what they require, do they require your help, and just reminding that, you know, this sport, you know, I think there's a lot of fearlessness, there's a lot of excitement, but I think nowadays the patience is the most important thing in the sport. So it's just reminding them, be patient, wait for your time, work hard, learn new tricks. There are so many experienced players around us, coaches, individuals. Keep learning, eventually it's going to help you in the big stage.
Talking about patience, and the guy next to him wants to hit the first ball for 6. आपके क्या गोल्स हैं इस साल? IPL में ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो आप हासिल करना चाहो इस साल?
सर इस बार यही गोल है कि ट्रॉफी जीतना है टीम के लिए और सब प्रैक्टिस भी काफी अच्छा चल रहा है और काफी सब कॉन्फिडेंस में भी लग रहे हैं तो होपफुली इस बार ट्रॉफी हम लोग जीतेंगे.
कोई बात नहीं, मैं आपको 3 सवाल करता हूँ, उसमें से 3 चीजें बताता हूँ आपको। आप बताइए वैसे सेकंड फास्टेस्ट किसने किया, आपको पता है?
मैंने किया है।
तो इन 3 चीजों में सबसे ख्वाहिश क्या होगी आपकी?
सर वही 175 का रिकॉर्ड करने का।
बाएं हाथ के वो जरूर आ जाएंगे, वो वैसी शख्सियत है, वो आप आ जाएंगे। You're going to be playing against him now, Sanju, in your first game.
Yes, we are.
What plans?
Nothing. This time I think my role is very simple. Just go there, bat, run around the field and enjoy a game of cricket. So much easy. Not thinking much about the opponents. So doing the role which is required.
आपके सामने आपके अंडर 19 कैप्टन भी रहेंगे, आपके टीम में जड्डू रहेंगे, उस टीम में संजू रहेंगे, लेकिन आयुष मात्रे दूसरी साइड रहेंगे। तो आपके बीच में जो इतनी एक भाईचारा सा बन गया था अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप में, अब राइवल्स बन के कैसा रहेगा?
नहीं सर, लास्ट टाइम भी अगेंस्ट में मेरे मैच हुआ तो ऐसा कुछ राइवलरी नहीं था। हम लोग एंजॉय करके ही खेले, तो इस बार भी हम लोग एंजॉय करके ही खेलेंगे एक दूसरे के अगेंस्ट और ट्राई करेंगे अपनी टीम के लिए 100% देने का।
With the Sunrisers, the team that Abhishek plays for. By the way, when you turn up again, you said last year that Pat Cummins said to you, doesn't score 225, 250, doesn't matter if you get bowled out for 100. Is that still going to be the approach up at Chinnaswamy against RCB?
I mean, it's gonna be with all the teams. That's what we have been trying in all the matches. But yeah, it was Pat Cummins always wanted to be that team that dominates in all the games. And individual score doesn't matter, but you have to dominate no matter what team you're playing against.
Hardly these 3 people don't have something that you have, belonging to a franchise that's won 5. And you, of course, won with Gujarat as well. What is the approach that a team needs to have over a long 14-game season to try and win a trophy, not once, but 5 times?
Interesting. I mean, to win an IPL, I think as individuals, as group, you really need to commit. There are no off days. If you specifically speak about IPL, there are no off days. T20 cricket is such a unique sport where the game can change any point of time. And you must have seen over the years as well that there is a team doing well, but there is one slip, one kind of a mishap or one game here and there, and they kind of lose the whole momentum in the IPL. So what I felt that to win the IPL, you need to be very smart about it, how you want to go about it. At the same point of time, how do you overcome the pressure? Because IPL is also a lot of pressure of the franchise sport. So when you collect all these dots and then always make sure that every time when you come on the ground, you put the best foot forward, you have a chance to win the IPL. Because still does not guarantee you. On that day, when the matters, you need to have all the luck and all the love and all the support from you, and that's what matters.
Hair is going to be the same color for the IPL?
Yes. I think I'm not enjoying the black, so I'll keep this.
Okay, I've got some quick questions for all of you. Just for everyone's curious. I'll start with you, Abhishek. Same question for all of you. Do you remember the first phone you ever owned? First phone. My generation was a telephone, mobile phone.
I still remember we were playing under 12, under 14, I guess. So Samsung, it was Samsung. But let me tell you one thing. Only one player had iPhone that time, and that was Shubman in that team. So I still remember he was the guy with iPhone, I think 4 or something. But I had Samsung.
Sanju?
Motorola flip phones.
Motorola.
वैसे कुछ लोग कह रहे हैं कि अंडर 16 को सोशल मीडिया बैन होना चाहिए, तो वैभव को फोन देना चाहिए कि नहीं देना चाहिए?
बस दो है अभी।
अगर मैं पूछूं पहला कौन सा, तो वो तो अभी का था। Your first video game.
First video game. I think everybody must have played that Cricket 07 EA Sports. That was my first game.
GTA Vice City.
WWE.
फर्स्ट वीडियो गेम आपका?
सर मैं वीडियो गेम खेलते ही नहीं,
क्योंकि आपका क्रिकेट लोग कहते हैं वीडियो गेम की तरह ही है, ना ही खेलो बल्ले से गेम को ही मारते रहो। Your cricketing idea growing up, Abhishek.
Idol?
Yeah.
Yuvraj Singh.
Sanju?
Sachin sir.
Wasim Jaffer.
Brian Lara and Yuvraj Singh.
Tell me about Wasim.
I just loved from day one, whenever I saw him batting, I used to just try to copy him. The way his, the class which he had, the timing which he had, which really, I was very attracted to it. So, yeah.
First car or first bike?
First, I think scooty, I would say Activa. We used to go on that to the ground, so Activa.
Wagoner.
Wagoner.
Maruti 800, the कांच पीछे से खुलने वाली.
मैंने सर अभी तक नहीं लिया.
पर मैंने देखा अभी कि आपको किसी ने दी है गाड़ी, तो है आपके पास में नहीं, वो कह रहा है कि लाइसेंस नहीं है, पर माइक उठा के बोल सकते हो, कोई बात नहीं. अभिषेक, फर्स्ट मैच that you watched in the stadium, do you remember? That you went to a stadium to watch?
Yes, I think it was IPL match final. It was a final game of Kings 11 and RCB. Sorry, KKR and Kings 11. Sorry, KKR won that game in Chinnaswamy.
Just as well you didn't say RCB and talk about the result. नहीं तो पहले मैच में बड़ी स्लेजिंग होती है आपको. First game you saw at stadium? In Delhi or back in Kerala?
I think it was an IPL game which I was a part of. I never went and saw a game.
Serious?
Yeah.
The first game you saw in the stadium was the game you were playing.
Yeah, I think so. I can't remember watching the game.
Mine was India versus Australia in Baroda. I think it was 2010-ish. I was a ball boy.
Be careful when you say 2010 because the guy next to you will say मैं शायद पहली बार स्टेडियम में कौन सा मैच देखा?
सर 2017 में IPL का KKR वर्सेस RPS का मैच था ईडन गार्डन्स में, वो देखा था.
Growing up, your favorite movie or your favorite actor? Growing up, I mean, you're still growing up. But...
Favorite movie was C8 for sure. I really enjoyed that movie. And actor, I always getting changed. Depends on the movie I'm watching.
3 Idiots will go with.
Mine any movie of Rajinikanth sir.
Any movie of?
Rajinikanth sir.
My choice is odd, but I really love Godzilla. So went to see Godzilla in Upper Deck. Actor name.
धुरंधर सर. धुरंधर.
Okay. Okay. The first player who played a prank on you in the IPL. Do you remember?
I think first I don't remember, but I still remember a lot of pranks from Ishan. He's a big prankster in SRH, so I can't name one, but he's...
सच ईशान? नहीं, लग रहा है कि दाल में काला है यहाँ पे. Is he a prankster?
Yeah, big one.
You're a prankster yourself?
Little bit sometimes.
Come on, Arjun. Who played the first prank on you?
I think it was Ricky Ponting. He said that, I think this was a prank on me. I got excited because I won my first couple of man of the matches. And that point of time I was on a 10 lakh contract. So he actually told me that this money goes to you. So actually I calculated what I'm going to do with this money, and then later I got to know that this actually gets kind of divided between the group. So yeah, that was a little bit prank.
Okay, he's still too young to ask him about who pranked him. So thank you very much. I hope you have a fantastic IPL, all of you, because it's a tournament that defines all of us. It's a tournament that brings all of us so much joy, and it's round the corner.